For you, you know, like it will be a street. Atheism will be a street, but if
What?
you ask, like, atheism would be dangerous or negative for humanity. Atheism,
What?
well,
You
atheism.
see,
But in another,
if there are some morals, atheists also have morals. We are not against them. We are against their philosophy. If an atheist comes to join us in any of the good work, we shall join hand with him. If an atheist comes to help needy people, I say, okay, I'm ready to help, to join you for the help of the needy people. We shall say, okay, welcome, you can come. But his thinking, his philosophy, his ideology, we are against that. Because we are a Muslim, we are a religious community. Right? We believe in one God. We believe that God does exist. We believe that God speaks. We believe that even now God shows the signs. And you must have seen so many signs during Jalsa.